I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I want to wash up the Milwaukee Pneumatic Bandsaw so that I can get it primed and painted. It's been quite a lot of work. Took a little time to get the power washer started. Had to put some starting fluid in it and, small engines. But I got it going, and now we'll power wash that thing off, and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, I wrapped up the motor in a garbage bag so that I was sure it wasn't going to get all wet on the inside. I got it all washed off, all the grease is off of it, did a really nice job. Now I just have to get it out of this mud hole and up over into the shop so I can get it dried off. Then I got to mask off the motor and wipe that down and clean it up a little bit because I didn't want to spray that down with the power washer. But so far so good, it looks really nice. Cleaner than it ever has been since I got it. It was a little bit of work, but well worth the time. And my little helper over there really likes getting in the video. If you notice, she tends to walk in front of the camera now. I think I swelled her ego a bit when I said she was the star of the show. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. That right, Sadie? You a good girl? Are you a good girl? Something smells good on the front of the truck. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.